Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World, and the weekend is here. We got a nice super casual dress down watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store, and I believe this one is still free. Go check it out. Even if it's a paid watch face, this one here is definitely worth it. This one is coming from the jeweler, and the guy did a really good job with this one. He executed it perfectly. It's going to be more so a super dress up watch face than it will be for a casual watch face, but you can wear it either which way you want. Now, the name of the watch face is called Jeweler Aurum. I like the look. I like the layout of this watch face. I like the way the index and also the background really pulls together this watch face. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2. It's going to have a nice analog look, quite like it does when the watch face is on. Now, I do like the front analog hands that's going on right here. Nice smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. I really like the look of the index. Very different, but it adds a lot of character to the watch face as well. You're going to get, of course, Roman numerals at the top and the bottom, your 12 and also your 6. And what I like here is the battery. Now, if you see, it's shaded down to let you know that your battery percentage is going down from 100, and I should be about at 91, 90% battery life. So this is definitely a good look. You got the jeweler's name up at the top. You're going to get your step go down at the bottom, or your steps down at the bottom. Here you're going to get your stacked digital time, which I like. Looks very nice. Adds some uniqueness to the watch face, and over here you're going to get your date. Now, it is interactive, so if I tap right here, I can go ahead and set a favorite, and if I tap down at the bottom, I could set another favorite. So you get a couple of places to do so, which I thought was pretty nice. Now, if I double tap over here, I can change the Roman numerals to numbers, which I like numbers a little bit better, at least for this watch face I do. And if I tap here, I can pull up my calendar, set an event. If I tap right here, I can pull up, of course, my text messages. I can make a phone call from here too as well. And if I double tap right here, I could change the background theme to a few different backgrounds and all. Like that one looks really nice, especially for a night out on the town. So I thought the developer really did a good job with this one, and I'm loving it. Now also, if I tap up here at the top, I can go in and get my battery percentage info. So all in all, my man got down. Question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? Make sure you go ahead and you check out this watch face. Again, I think it's a freebie. Until then, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Have a great weekend.